This is as large as the building of the railway
Yeah.
relative to the US GDP in the US. If I'm looking at my fancy screen in front of me,
Yep.
and I'm not giving investment recommendations
No.
on these, but as we're talking on February 4 here, during the day, Microsoft is down 15% year to date, Nvidia is down 3% year to date, Tesla is down 6% year to date. Um, and so the other Mac 7 are up year to date, but that we have seen a substantial movement. Some people call it rotation. Fundamentally, some people are arguing that the initial drive was into these Mac 7. If I look at um, the or the S&P 600, which is value, small cap value, is up 9% year to date, for example. Um, and so you have the Russell 2000 is doing well this year. And so those smaller cap and smaller cap value do well on the one hand if there is a recession looming, but the
Yes.
other story why they might be doing well is that the these tend to be more levered companies, and they might be disproportionate beneficiaries of this productivity gain if you can use AI tools to improve your business. And
Yep.
so where first these the big companies that are spending a gazillion in this space were benefiting, it's now trickling out. I think the relevance is, and I don't know where these things are going to be tomorrow, but I think people should realize incredible amounts are spent on this. This is as large as the building of the railway
Yes.
relative to the US GDP in the US.
So when I was researching this episode, I found out, for example, back in September, you did an interview, and at the time, again, that's September 2025, your fund had pretty much doubled over the last 12 months. And since then, it's gone up another more than 50% further. So you're in the right space at the right time. So yeah, please tell us a little bit more about what is your investment company working with, and also expand also into the tangenting, like both gold, precious metals, but also mining. So what do you actually invest in without being saying something that you shouldn't?